Alright, you're not going to believe how one bankruptcy could shake up the entire auto repair world. First Brands Group, the giant behind many parts you rely on, just filed for bankruptcy. And this isn't just a minor hiccup, it could spell major trouble for anyone who owns a car, truck, or SUV. Imagine going to your local auto parts store and finding fewer options for the parts you need. Sounds like a nightmare, right? Here's the deal, this isn't just any company. First Brands Group produces parts for big names like Fram, Centric Parts, and even Anco wipers. If you've ever replaced a filter, brakes, or spark plugs, chances are you've bought something from them. And now, with their bankruptcy, those parts could become scarce. But wait, it gets more intense. Just announced, the financial issues First Brands faced were staggering. They were lagging behind in paying suppliers, with payment terms stretching way beyond the industry norm. We're talking about debts that were overdue by as much as 55 days. By the end of this video, you'll understand exactly why this could change everything for the auto parts industry. And stick around, because what they're planning for 2026 is even more surprising. Now, let's break it down. First Brands Group had debts between $10 million and $50 billion. They were caught in a web of delayed payments and outstanding bills, signaling deep trouble. This isn't just about one company, it reflects a broader crisis in the auto parts industry. With tariffs on imported parts and rising costs, we could see more bankruptcies and a return to the supply chain chaos of 2020. Here's the thing, this could lead to fewer options and higher prices for parts. The entire OE aftermarket industry might face a shakeup, and if things don't stabilize, car owners like you could feel the pinch. But here's where things get really interesting. If First Brands can't bounce back, we're looking at a future with less competition and innovation in the parts market. Now, here's the part that's got everyone talking. This bankruptcy isn't just a financial issue, it's a wake-up call. With the automotive world moving towards electric vehicles and self-driving technology, the demand for traditional parts might shift dramatically. Could this bankruptcy be a sign of what's to come in the automotive industry? So, what does this mean for you? Will repair costs skyrocket? Could this spark a parts shortage? Drop a comment telling me which specific detail impressed you most. And don't forget to hit subscribe because next week, I'm breaking down how this affects the future of electric vehicles.